So, we want to talk about the imperative. Imperative is something that, like you can tell someone to do something. In imperative, it simply means like you can tell somebody, go to the market, or sing, or dance, or play. It's like telling someone to do something. More or less like instruction or command, or maybe just asking someone to do something. So, for instance, you can say the verb to read. In the imperative form, it will just be read. Read your books. To play. In the imperative would be basically play. So it's like you're telling someone or telling people to do something. So, in Dholuo, the imperative has got an interesting way, and I'll use examples here. To eat, what did we say to eat is?
Chiemo.
Chiemo. And it's very funny because when you talk about nouns, you'll find that chiemo can be the verb and it can also be a noun. Chiemo is to eat, and it can also be chiemo. The food itself can also be referred to as chiemo. Chiemo. Then we have another example of to sleep. Okay. Nindo, which can also be the sleep itself, and it also means to sleep. Okay. What else? To go. Not to go, but to go. To go means to play. So I'll put it here in brackets. To play, to sleep, to eat. Let me use another example. Luoko. Luoko means to wash. Ndiko. Ndiko means to write. What did you say to run is?
Ringo.
Ringo. And walk, to walk. It starts with a W. Go. Woto. And so on and so forth. What is clear here, you can see. Many of them are ending with what?
O.
Many of them. I don't say that all of them, but many of them end with this O as the verb. So we want to convert this into the imperative, which means you want to tell somebody, eat. Okay? From the verb to eat, now you want to tell somebody now, eat. All you do is to remove the O, and then it becomes chiem. It becomes what?
Chiem.
Chiem. You want to tell somebody sleep. Again, you remove the O, and it becomes what?
Need.
Need. Other people say needy. More or less the same thing. Again, remove O from to go, it becomes what? Tug. Again, some people, they're depending on where the person you meet, where they're coming from, some people will add I here, so it will be tugi, nindi. Because for some people, when you say it without this I, it sounds rude. Like ning, it almost sounds like a command. Very rude one. So some people tend to add I so that it's like nindi as a request. Okay? Tugi. Luoko also will be luok. Again, you can add I, it will be luoki. But that is just an emphasis so that it sounds polite. Okay? But even if you say luok, it's still okay. So you just remove the O. For right, you'd say Nick. Ringo. Ring. Again, you can also say ringi. Especially people from the southern part of Nyanza, they say ringi. Walk, you also say what? Would. Now, that's how you speak in the imperative. Borrowing from what we learned last time, I want you to form a sentence with luok. Okay? And I want to give you a new word, leuni. Leuni means clothes. Okay? So I want you to say, wash for me clothes. The verb is, now the imperative, luoko is the verb, to wash. Okay? To tell me to wash, you simply say luok. And now what is to be washed is clothes. Remember what we said when we talked about how to say when you want something to be done for someone. Yeah.
Leuni.
Leuni. So wash for me clothes.
Luokna leuni.
Luokna leuni. Very good. Luokna leuni. We added na. We say that you add na, right? So you simply say luokna leuni. Wash for me clothes. You can also ask somebody to buy for you something. To buy is nyeo. Let's put it up here. To buy. To buy is nyeo. So in the imperative, it would be nyeo. You remove the o, so it becomes nyeo. Again, this is another interesting one because for some other people in the Luo land, they will not say ny, y, instead they'll say g, so it will be nyeo. So it's either way, it depends on where. But even if you say this, they understand. It's only a matter of the difference in dialects. So some people will say nyeo, others will say nyeo. I say nyeo myself, so we'll say nyeo. Now, I want you to say, in Dholuo, buy for us food. Buy for us food. When I started this, I mentioned what food is. To buy is nyeo, and the imperative is there. And we talked about it last time when it is for us. What we add to the verb?
Nyeo.
For us?
Nyeo. Nyeo noa. Chiemo.
Nyeo noa chiemo. Very good. Nyeo noa chiemo. So you can say nyeo noa chiemo, or for some people they will be comfortable saying nyeo noa chiemo. I'll give you another verb. Let's add it here. And as I said, not all verbs will end with O. Some verbs don't end with O. Something like miel. Miel is a verb and it can also be a noun to mean a dance. It can be to dance and it can also mean a dance. So in this case, to dance is miel. So because we don't even have an O here, there's nothing to cancel. So if you want to ask somebody to dance, you simply say miel. The same way it is here. Then I want to give you another verb. Wear. Wear means a song, but it can also mean to sing. Wear, to sing. To sing, wear, and it can also mean a song. Wear. The imperative for wear also just remains as Where. Now, this is what I wanted to write to tell me. And if you get it right, we close this chapter now. Say in Dholuo, sing for us to dance. Sing for us to do what? To dance. Yeah, we want to dance. Sing for us to dance. How do we say that? To sing is where, and to dance is miel. Where noa?
Miel.
Now, so that we dance. Where noa? That conjugation of for we. Amiel, imiel, then we.
Wamiel.
Wamiel, very good. So say, where noa?
Wamiel.
Where noa? Wamiel, very good. Now you have become a European. Where noa? Wamiel. Sing for us to dance. Okay? Where noa? Wamiel. And it's a very interesting thing. It's only these two words. It means all that. Sing for us to dance. Where noa? Wamiel. Question? No question. Good.